NaturallyNellzy here today, and we are up close and personal today. So obviously we are going to be doing a skincare video. Now the company that we're going to be highlighting today is called Zue Beauty, and this is a really cool company. In this video I'm going to give my first impressions on the different products that we're trying out, but I do want to let you guys know about the background of Zue Beauty. So for one thing, if you are a stickler for the environment, for animals, you know, different products that you put on your face, ingredients, you're going to love Zue Beauty because they had you guys in mind as well as the planet and everywhere else when they were creating their products. Now for one, this company is vegan and it also is cruelty-free. So they are also gluten-free and they don't have any GMO in their products, so that's also another plus as well. Now one of the main ingredients that they have in their products is quinoa, and this is actually a superfood that you can use on your face. Now quinoa is actually a natural ingredient along with it being a superfood, and it's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids. All those things are great for your skin because they actually do preserve the health of your skin while also preventing it from other factors that could cause aging, wrinkles, and all those things that we definitely don't want. The way that the quinoa is actually collected is by indigenous farmers in South America, but they also do their best to give their proceeds to social and environmental causes, and that just helps to make the world a little bit better. And just to name a few of those causes, just so you know exactly what your points are going towards, for one, it is animal welfare because, you know, I love my animals. So that could be anywhere from making sure that children have clean drinking water to even having clothes on their back. So as you guys can see, I still do have my makeup on, and the first one I'm going to be using is a purifying facial cleanser, which is this one right here. Now when you actually take a second to look at the packaging, when you turn it around, you'll see that they have those key things where it says it's cruelty-free, certified corporation, they support farmers, there's no GMO, no gluten, and of course they are vegan. Now if you guys look further down, you will see that each box has different numbers, and that actually correlates with the different growers and farmers that they work with. And it gives you a little background story just so you know exactly what your purchase is going towards and who you're helping in South America. Alright guys, so I just finished my makeup, and as you guys can see, it pretty much took away everything that I have. The only thing I was wearing today was more so of concealer and powder and blush, but it looked like it took most of that, including my eyebrows, for the most part away. But what I do want to tell you about the cleanser is that it really is a very, very gentle cleanser. It actually seems more like a lotion, to be quite honest with you. And as far as what the consistency is, it's very smooth, like I said, and it has more of a lotion kind of feel to it. Like, I washed my face with it twice because I couldn't believe that, you know, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like really smooth, and it feels clean, but it's not like that strip clean to the point where you feel like you need some type of moisture, like that squeaky clean. It definitely didn't feel that way. So normally what I like to do is just go in with like a makeup remover, and I just like to wipe away areas of my face just to make sure that it's getting everything off of it. So I'm about finished removing all the makeup off of my face, and I do see that I do have a little bit of, you know, residue here from my makeup, but we'll get into that a little bit later as far as how I'm going to rate the facial cleanser. Now next product I'm going to be using is this one right here, and this is known as the exfoliating facial scrub. So this one promises to naturally exfoliate as it cleanses the skin, and it's supposed to leave it feeling soft and smooth. It also has quinoa and apricot seeds, and that's supposed to aid in gently polishing away dead skin cells, revealing a radiant and flawless complexion. If you guys have ever used those apricot scrubs where it's like the oatmeal one, that's exactly how this one feels. This one definitely does smell very citrus-like, so it's giving me like hints of like a little bit of lemon, a little bit of, you know, orange, different things like that. Mainly citrus is what I'm getting from it. It honestly feels more so like a moisturizer, and then, you know, just having the little minerals in it to exfoliate, that also feels really nice too. Like this one feels really good for an exfoliator, and I feel like my skin is being moisturized too. Like I could just do this all day. Am I bugging y'all, or does it seem like my skin is like for real glowing? Like I got that pregnancy glow. So just from that, I'm definitely digging the products, but let's continue to finish the rest of them. The next product I'm going to be using is the Soothing Facial Toner, and that is this one right here. Now this particular one is made with quinoa and cucumber extracts, and what they promise with this one is that it's an alcohol-free mist of botanical extracts, and it's supposed to help to preserve, hydrate, and refresh your skin, leaving it soft, balanced, and radiant. I'm not even gonna lie, part of me is really hoping that it smells like cucumbers. Like they really smell good. Okay, so downside is it doesn't smell like cucumbers, but it does have a hint of a little bit of mint to it. I am smelling a little bit of mint. And I forgot to tell you guys, this one, which is the cleanser, this one smells like licorice. I don't know, again, I could be bugging, but to me it smells like licorice. So if you guys are not familiar with what a toner is, it's basically a product that is supposed to even out your complexion. So if you have like acne scars or some discoloration, a toner would be great for you because that is what's going to help you get more of an even skin tone and palette. Okay, so first thing that I'm noticing is that it's no burning sensation, and I believe that contributes to it not having alcohol in the product. Usually I just wait for the burn, like just wait for it, but there's no burn. It honestly feels really, really nice. I'll probably use this as like a refresher. Like say if I'm going out and I want my face to be bare, I'll probably just apply the toner just to get things going. I don't know, like I haven't moisturized yet, and moisturizing is important because my skin is super dry, but I feel like I could just get away with the toner and that's it. Like, wow. Okay, let's continue. So next product I'm going to use is this one right here, and this is the Daily Facial Moisturizer. This one is made with quinoa and green tea extract. So I'm really happy about that already because I love me some green tea. This promises to help protect the skin's natural oils and preserve its daily hydration throughout the day. This one definitely does have a green tea smell, but this is like a true green tea smell, if you know what I mean. It's not like that fragrancy kind of stuff. No, it smells like real green tea. So one thing with the moisturizer is that I noticed that it definitely does dry quick. As soon as I put it in, I noticed that my skin is sucking it up, and now it feels more so of like I do have a residue of a moisturizer on my skin. So you have to work quick with this product. But I feel like with it drying into your skin, for some reason it feels like it's locking in the moisture in my skin. I am not quite ready for bed yet, so I'm going to come on here and do the final product, which is the Restoring Night Cream. And that's what I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I feel about all of the different products. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later, and as you can see, hair is down and my oversized t-shirt is on. I am about ready for bed, and I probably look a lot tired as well. Now the promise on the Restoring Night Cream says that it has a special blend of beauty enhancing essential oils, and this helps to support hydration throughout the night, helping restore and refresh the skin. So my number one favorite product had to be this one right here, which was the Exfoliating Facial Scrub. I just feel like I'm more of an exfoliating type of girl. My skin is very dry, so I definitely do need something that's going to pretty much get all of the dead skin and the dryness and the flaky stuff away from my skin. But I also feel like it was very moisturizing too. I don't know what it is about it, but this, after using it, I just feel like I had a glow. So this is my absolute favorite. But I think another reason why I really like this one was that even though it is an exfoliator, the actual, like, I don't know what it is, minerals, pebbles, exfoliators, they didn't feel like they were scratching and scraping my face. They actually felt soothing to my face, as if it was like a facial. Now, the second product that I found to be my favorite would be this one right here, and this was the Purifying Facial Cleanser. The reason why I love this one is because the texture and the consistency of the product really ended up feeling like a moisturizer and not necessarily a cleanser. I also didn't feel very dry after using it. The only thing that I would say with this product is that if you are somebody who does wear a full face of makeup, it's a little bit more on the heavier side. This probably won't take off all of your makeup because I did have to go back in with a makeup remover and remove the excess. And the last product that I love from the line would be the Restoring Night Cream. The reason why I like this one is because I feel like it's more so catered to the really severely dry, like the scaly dry like myself. I just feel like this one penetrated deeper into my skin. It just feels moisturized. I don't know how else to say it other than that. It just feels really moisturized, and since it does say it's supposed to restore over the night, this is exactly what I need to repair my skin from all the dryness. But right now, using all those products together, my skin is feeling really good, and I feel like I might actually have to incorporate these into my staples because they are really good products. So guys, that was my review for Zue Beauty and their Quinoa skincare line. If you guys are interested in these products and want to learn more information about the brand, you guys can get all these products on zuebeauty.com, and they are also available in Whole Foods stores as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, come on down and enjoy the family. And when you do subscribe, be sure to click the notification bell so that you can get updates when I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.